Hey guys, Jack Gleason here. This is the first video I'm going to be posting on my new YouTube channel. Excited to continue to provide some information for those of you guys who've seen me before. My previous YouTube channel, all my stuff is now going to be on this new YouTube channel, so make sure you subscribe. All right, getting into it, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go over a trade I took today using Nadex on oil. You can see I'm up about $4,500 by the end of this trade. So my average price of this is about 58 bucks, which means I actually paid 42. So even though my average price is 58, I sold the contract, so I paid $42, and about $58 was the amount of money I am going to be rewarded on this trade. So what this trade is a 63.20 binary option short play. So what does that mean? That means I am anticipating oil to close below 63.20 here today by 2:30 p.m. East Coast time. And it is 1:25 Central Time, so about 5 more minutes. If we are below 63.20, I will receive the full payout of $100 per contract. Now, like I said, I did pay $42 per contract, so my reward is actually around 58. So give or take a couple pennies. This setup here, guys, for those of you guys who have followed my stuff before, this is called a 50% retracement. It's a tool that is found in almost any brokerage platform, but it's a tool that I use when I'm doing my technical analysis. And all we're doing here is we're taking a high of a major swing. So we have that high up here at 66.60, and we're drawing that to the low of a major swing. And when we retrace into that entire move divided by 2, that is called the 50% retracement, a common technical buy or sell level used by many traders. Now, this is what's considered a second test. A second test is where we actually have already traded that level once. You can see here the 50% retracement is 63.32. That had a first test on May 13, 2019, and we came up to a second test here today. So as we were approaching this second test, I was following the market really closely, looking for some swing highs to get put in, and that's kind of my trigger. So I'll let the market trade, and what I'm doing, these little dots up here, it's called swing marks, but the previous 5 bars and the following 5 bars must all have a lower high, and that to me indicates that, okay, we're unable to get above that level. So we put in a high here, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars, okay? 5 bars that have not breached that high, and then I use that as my resistance level. You can see what we continued kind of selling off from there, but that's just what I use for confirmation. What I'm doing is I'm analyzing the higher time frame, the daily time frame, the hourly time frame, to come up with these larger resistance levels and support levels, and then I like to mark them up on my chart using boxes and zones, so they're kind of highlighted as they approach. And when they approach, I'm moving down to my smaller time frame, a 5-minute chart or even a tick chart, looking for a detailed and small entry. But I hope that video helps you guys. I am just a few moments away from closing out 4,500 bucks on this trade. Really happy about that. And let's see, I got 3 minutes left on this guy. So assuming we close below 63.20 in the next 3 minutes, anything can happen. We could rally 20 cents and I could get popped out. But if we close below this, I will receive the full profit. But you guys, if you enjoyed this video and you like my content, I'm Jack Gleason. I'm looking forward to putting out more videos. Please feel free to share these videos on your social media, other trading pages. Get people involved. I'll be putting out a ton more content, and I really look forward to teaching you guys how to become successful traders. Take care.